Today, I want to buy a coffee dripper because I see all these cool people on TV and YouTube. They wake up in the morning and they use a really cool coffee dripper. That seems to be their morning routine and their meditation. And the coffee must taste better because why else would they use it, right? So I didn't want to be left behind in society, so I went on Amazon and ordered myself a ceramic coffee dripper. I've been told this particular model by Hario is the original and it's the best quality, so I just went ahead and purchased it, even though it broke the bank a little bit. So without further ado, here's my unboxing session of the Hario ceramic coffee dripper in white. Okay. Hario, it says here. Plastic. It's got like a measuring unit here. I'm not exactly sure what that's for, but I'm assuming 8 gram is to this point, 10 to the second lining here, and 12 gram is the full cup. Oh, it actually says here, which is very handy. It actually says here inside 12, 10, and 8. So that's very handy and thoughtful of them. We have the actual dripper. I don't even know what you call this. The dripping bit. I'm assuming this is ceramic because it said ceramic on the box. Made in Japan. Looks solid and clean. It says Hario since 1616. That's ancient. Arita, Japan. Let's see what else is in here. It says, "Thank you for purchasing this Hario product. Please be sure to read this instruction manual thoroughly in order to use this product correctly. After reading it, store it in a safe place for future reference." So, and it says glass is fragile and may break. Handle it appropriately during normal use and cleaning. Yep, so glasses break. So here's another component. I don't even know what you call it, but this is pretty much where the coffee gets stripped and stored into. So this is glass. Microwave server. Got your units here again. I guess you can make it up until 4 cups. Maybe it's just a little more than 4 cups. So that's good. I only need maybe up to two cups though, because I don't have any friends to serve up until the 4th cup. But hey, I could just drink 4 cups of coffee in a different mug just for the fun of it during the day. Who knows? Top part here is plastic. I don't even know what all these do. Obviously, this can't be a comb, even though it kind of looks like a comb. Someone who is a coffee making expert can explain it to me in the comment section. This is the manual. It says in Japanese, which I can't read because I'm not Japanese, even though I'm Asian, and most people just assume all Asians can read all Asian looking languages. All these stuff, precautions here, which I probably will never read because I just don't like reading manuals because I'm a rebel. I make my own decisions. And they also mentioned that they will include, I think it was around 100 extra filters, which is included here, so that's nice. That's pretty much it. So what do we have? We have the cup here, which I'm assuming you have to take these stickers off. the plastic handle here, I don't think you can remove these. I think this is meant to just be attached like that. I don't think you can disassemble it or anything. I don't see why someone would want to disassemble it. Okay, so I've got this. We have the measuring cup. And of course we have the ceramic handle here. The ceramic bit, whatever you call it. So yeah.